When it comes to owning a car, experts say it's not the age, it's the miles. And a new study shows more San Diegans are saving money by holding on to their rides for more than 15 years.
And we know how to put miles on our cars, too. It is an option that we're exploring as part of our Making It in San Diego initiative. 10 News reporter John Horn explains what San Diegans need to do if they plan to keep their cars for a long time.
So this is a air filter. It looks fairly clean.
But Victor Banuelos says when it comes to things like air filters, there's more than meets the eye.
Replace these every 3 oil changes.
Banuelos owns Centric Auto Repair in San Marcos. He says he's seeing the same cars over and over again.
Back in the 80s and 90s, we would see vehicles and they would start breaking down at 100,000 miles. Now with new technology, we're actually seeing vehicles with 200, 250,000 miles.
San Diegans are taking advantage. A new study from iSeeCars.com says nearly 12% of people here are keeping their cars for more than 15 years. It's one of the highest rates in the nation. It's easy to see why. According to Edmunds, the average price for a new car is now nearly $36,000, and pre-owned cars sold at dealerships are now going for nearly $21,000.
There are plenty of benefits to keeping your car a long time. Perhaps the best, your car payment eventually goes away. But if you don't maintain your car, it can really start to cost you.
And show that car some love by doing those regular routine maintenance checkups.
Auto Club spokesman Doug Shoup says each car's owner's manual has a service schedule and drivers should follow it closely.
Spending that money on maintaining your vehicle could go a long way and save you in costly repairs down the road.
He says driving style also counts. In other words, try not to push the car too much. And quality of gas matters. Tests found drivers using gas with so-called top-tier standards had 19 times fewer engine deposits than those that didn't after 4,000 miles. Still, no matter how diligent you are, Banuelos says at some point it's time to let it go.
And the rule of thumb on that is the value of your vehicle versus the repair price.
In other words, money that keeps Old Faithful on the road may best be spent on a new set of wheels. John Horn, 10 News.
Honda and Toyota top the list of cars that are kept for 15 years or longer. And we have a number of resources available in this story on 10news.com, including a list of cars deemed the most durable for the best price, the cost of common car repairs, and a slideshow of how the most durable cars have evolved over the last 15 years. You can find this story under the Making It in San Diego section.